How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Cash App account from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and like the name suggests, you can only access the entirety of Cash App's features on your phone or any mobile device. And the sign up process is actually quite simple. All you guys have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and you guys should be good to go. So you could use the app to send money to your friends, pay bills maybe, or even receive money from friends and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So the sign up process is as follows. The first step that you guys need to take is actually downloading the app. And I should mention that this can only be done through your mobile phones. So it goes without saying that if you guys are on Android, then you basically go to the Google Play Store and download the Cash App account, or rather the Cash App app from there. And if you're an iOS or Apple, then you go to the App Store. So once you guys are finished downloading the app, what you basically want to do is open it, and the app will take you to through an entire sign up process where you will be creating your Cash App account. And it looks a little something like this. So the way it works is you could either input your phone number or your email address, ideally your phone number, as you'd want all of your transactions to go through your phone, or rather have notifications tied to your phone number instead of your email. And that's solely just for accessibility purposes. And what would happen is the application, Cash App, would send you a confirmation code just to make sure that you're you and your account didn't get compromised or whatever. So from here, you would want to enter your zip code and choose a cash tag, or this is basically a username that you guys will use when you're using the Cash App. And here's the interesting part. Here's where you'll input the bank using your debit card. So basically, just follow the on-screen instructions on your phone to set up your account, and you should be good to go. And it even says so here that all you have to do is open the app, create an account, and connect your application or Cash App to your bank account, and you should have the option to add cash to your Cash App account. And from there on out, you can send money to your friends or receive money from them and whatever. So yeah, that's basically it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.